Okay, today we've got a Royal typewriter. This is, I don't know what it's called. Royal Safari. It's in good shape. A little scuff right there. Looks like maybe this, yep, that, leaning up against it in the case. Some little scratch there. Cool, has this rugged Royal all metal structure design. Kind of a cool sticker that's still on there. And yeah, just overall in good shape. Yep. As a whole, I don't think this has bunny ears. It does not. Let's just go over a couple, do a little type test, and any corks, that sort of thing with the guy. Paper release to move it around. We'll start with the, I guess black. You got red, black stencil. There's only a black ribbon in this, so that's going to be the only one that works with this. So just heads up. Caps lock. Everything works perfect in that regard. Let's see if there's anything else that you need to know about this. You got your touch control over here, light, medium, hard. Column clear. I don't know what column clear is. Magic column set. Okay, so magic column set. I actually don't. So I guess column is basically shift or tabs. It's a tab. That's my guess. So if I clear it, clear it, clear it, clear it. Now it should go all the way over. Yeah, so they call them columns, but really it's a tabulator. Here's your shift lock, backspace, margin release. So if you get over here, wanting to keep typing, hey, margin release, it'll let you continue to type. I think that's it for that. You've got your 1 space, 2 spaces, 1 down to 2, and then you've also got this, which rotates the, the platen without being in the clicky margins. See the difference? Same if you push on the side right here, you can do the same thing. And magic margin, I believe it's wherever you set this, that's where the margin's going to go. So now the margin's right there. But if you want to go bring it over, it's going to be right there. Same with that one. Magic margin, it's going to go right there. That's going to make the end of the margin right there. If you want to go further, bring it over, drop it, and that's where the margin is now. That's how that works. You've got this guy that puts in your paper. I did a lot of cleaning on this. Looks really good. It's got a little white out over here, some things of that sort. Ribbon reversal, I don't know where it is. I just do this. That's how to ribbon reversal it. So even if it's on here, you can probably just sneak your finger in there. Yeah, so you could just do that. And yeah, overall, really good shape. I don't think there's anything else to say about this guy. I might need to be pushed in there a little bit. But yeah, just a really sharp looking typewriter. I like this one. It's got scuffs here too, and scuffs there as well. Comes with a nice case too. So Case is in great shape. Oh, actually, I take that back. Case has a crack right down there, so not great shape. Case is in okay shape. And yeah, that's what you get. Royal Safari typewriter. I hope you guys like it. Peace out.